Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Boeing 787-9 of Air New Zealand made by Gemini jets. So here's the box, the sides. Now let's go to the interior for those of you wondering. Let me see if it's well focused. So you can pause the video if you're interested in any of this information. Okay, so let's continue with the unboxing. Now, I don't remember quite well where I got this model from, but as most of my models, I'm pretty sure I got it on eBay. So yeah, at online auctions or at good deals. So yeah, so here's the model. Let's take it out of the way. Now you can see the engines, the antennas. It's beautiful. It's such a detailed model. Now, as always, we go to some extra shots so you can have a closer and more detailed look of this model. Now, as always, we'll be taking a final look to the details this model has got. For starters, it's got the Star Alliance logo, and now at all the doors we've got these red accents to them, which they look pretty nice and very detailed, so they don't look blank. Then we've got the Air New Zealand lettering, as well as the antennas. This model has also got rotating gear, so it's very nice. Then the Rolls-Royce engines have got their spikes, which they look very detailed and nice. And now, how am I sure these are the Rolls-Royce and not the General Electric engines if they have not got any kind of logo? Well, because it's detailed at the box, so that's why it's very nice to have the Gemini Jets box, because they do have very useful information. Then we've got the registration number, which is Zulu Kilo November Zulu Foxtrot. And at the very tail we've got the Air New Zealand logo. And well, that's it for this 787-9 model. Hope you liked the video. If so, please leave a like and subscribe. And leave a comment on how can I do better for my next video. And that's it from me. Hope to see you around.